Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my completed beaded cross-stitch kit from Ukrainian-Russian company Bead Magic in the forest. This beaded cross-stitch kit was purchased from Russian social media group Bead Magic. You can actually find them on Facebook. When I was a child, this postcard was my favorite one, and I decided actually to generate it into a beaded cross-stitch kit, and I sent a request to Bead Magic group asking if they can transform this beautiful postcard into a beaded cross-stitch kit, and they agreed to do so, and that's how it turned out. The green color has been eliminated completely. I'm not sure what the reason was. Maybe it was really very hard to create a pattern using this green color, but I'm a fan of blue color. That is why I actually like the generated pattern much more. The color selection, I mean, when it comes to color selection. So I was not really very upset about that. This way you can compare the original picture and the beaded cross-stitch result. So now let's talk about the specifications of this kit. This is a beaded cross-stitch kit on a blank white canvas in the size of 43 by 47 centimeters, and it included 39 colors of beads. This kit did not contain any special beads. They were all regular sized seed beads. Those seed beads are of a different type. There are kind of like AB seed beads, matte, opaque, transparent, sparkly. So all these seed bead types give the final image a very beautiful, full, rich, very natural effect, in my opinion. I'm not sure how much I paid for it. Since it was a custom, first I had to pay for the customization and generating the pattern, which looks like this. This kit also came a part of the beads and the canvas. It also came with 20 pages of black and white pattern. And for this black and white pattern, I actually paid around $50. There was a choice of getting it black and white or colored. I preferred black and white. So I paid $50 for the pattern and $40 more for the kit itself, canvas, the bead selection that came in this beautiful container, the needles, the thread, etc. So in total I paid $90, but if you are gonna buy it now, it will cost around $40-50 because you do not have to pay for generating the image into the pattern first. This is how the kit looks with the artificial light, and I just turned it off. That's how it looks with the natural light. Now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages. There are actually two disadvantages in this kit. One of the symbols, letter M, was diamond painted, was beaded with two different colors. So instead of creating two symbols for two different colors, I was really very lucky that these colors were absolutely different. One was dark blue, the other one was brown. So I knew exactly where they are implemented. Brown is used for the house, blue is used for the whole, for the rest of the area. If the colors were close in shades, like, for example, look at this image. There are a lot of shades of blue. I wouldn't be able to differentiate, and I wouldn't be able to understand where this symbol, what color the symbol is being bead stitched, because also my pattern was white, black and white. And the second disadvantage was that I ran out of two colors. Just when I was over here, I was already finishing the beaded cross stitch kit. I ran out of two colors. I was able to match one of them. You can see it over here. It's a little bit more bright than it should be. I ran out of this color. And as to the other color, I had only like, I needed a really like maybe 15 beads. And I just used a different kind, a similar color, just a little bit darker in shade. I don't want to say that they did not put enough beads. I think that they put the exact amount of beads that you need for this beaded cross stitch kit, but you know, when I was bead stitching, sometimes I dropped some of the beads, and in the end I ran out of all of them. So they did not put extra beads in these two colors. They put the exact amount that is needed for this kit. Other than that, I'm really very happy with this, with the final result. It was such a pleasure to work, to bead stitch. I was bead stitching it for almost a year, but I did have breaks. There were like several months when I didn't bead stitch it at all. But yes, it is a very time-consuming project, but it's worth it. Just look at the result. It looks so much 3D, in my opinion, so detailed. The color blending is just perfect. This Christmas trees, look at this Christmas trees, pine trees. They look so realistic to me. I am just in the rapture over the final result of this kit. I have the same image in diamond painting. I will do a comparison pretty soon, but I can tell you that beaded cross stitch looks super detailed. So I love it. I would definitely purchase more from them. I have one more kit I have to bead stitch. It's a big kit, 50 by 70 centimeters. So this kit is like what, 42 by 47 centimeters. It took me a year, and that one is 70 by 50 centimeters. It will take me 2 years to bead stitch it, unless I win a lottery and I won't work and I will devote all my time to bead stitching. So in any case, that's how it looks. I hope you also like it as much as me, as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will leave the link to their Facebook page in the description box below. Beautiful kit. I love it with all my heart. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.